We've tried to create as timeless a design as possible to satisfy different user groups. On the one hand, for the customers, the architects, the planners who have consciously chosen this product because it's relatively low-key, and for the installers, the craftsmen, who get a product which is very easy to install and has a convincing array of features and functionalities. Here you can see this ceiling element that's behind it and how it evens out the cracks in the seams and thus prevents moisture from getting in. Another feature that's very special with this System 900 is the click-in connection. Because of course here is where the components of the shower grip are fitted together on site at the building site. The advantage is that you save one collar, one wall attachment, so that here you only need 3 wall attachments, not 4. That means less drilling, less work, fewer screws and fewer mounting parts, making it more economic. And it also makes it special because I can then assemble it on site. The special thing about the click-in connection is this 3D cross-section. It's 3D laser cut that doesn't cut just in 2 dimensions, just like a laser that goes along here, but instead also adjusts the contour as it cuts. And that means that this connection, this click connection, when you've put it together, is a very precise fit. So you have a very clean contour, which is very hygienic, with little water able to penetrate, and the little bit of water that does, in this case it's being installed this way round, runs out again at the wall attachment. There's a small drainage canal here which allows the water to flow along it, and it can exit again here at the back.